In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Docusign signature. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to personalize your signature a bit more, follow along and you'll have it ready in no time. To start, you'll need to go to the Docusign website. Open up your preferred internet browser and type in the address that leads to Docusign. If you have an account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's free and quick to set up. Once you're on the home page and logged in, locate the icon in the top right corner of your screen that displays your user initials. This icon is the gateway to accessing your profile settings. Click on that icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. What you want to do next is select Manage Profile. This is where you can make changes to your account settings, including your signature preferences. Once you're on your profile management page, glance to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with different options. Find the one labeled Signature and click on it. This will take you to a full page dedicated to adding or adjusting your signature. Now, this is where the creative part begins. Here, you have the option to either edit an existing signature or create a new one from scratch. If you've never set up a signature before, you'll probably start fresh. If you have one but want to change things like the style or image, you'll choose to edit. Click on the option that best suits your needs. You can choose from a range of templates for a quick and easy setup, and these templates come in different fonts and styles. If you're not keen on the preset choices, you can also draw your own signature using the drawing tool. It's quite intuitive. Just use your mouse or a touchscreen to sign your name directly on the screen. Moreover, if you have a scanned version of your signature, you can upload that file instead. This feature allows for a truly personalized touch and ensures your digital documents have the same authenticity as your handwritten ones. Once you've made all your adjustments and are satisfied with the look of your signature, the final step is to click Create. This saves your new or updated signature and makes it ready for use in all your Docusign interactions. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your Docusign signature. Now, any document you send or sign will carry your unique electronic mark. Hopefully, this guide made the process straightforward and manageable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help options available on the Docusign website. Happy signing!